कृतस्नानं शास्त्रामृतसरसि कामाक्षि नितरां दधानौ वैषद्यं कलितरसमानन्दसुधया अलङ्कारं भूमेर्मुनिजनमनश्चिन्मयमहापयोधेरन्तस्थं तव चरणरत्नं मृगयते. Kritasnanam is a compound word. Shastramrita Sarasi. Shastra Amrita Sarasi. Shastramrita Sarasi is a compound word. Kamakshi is a compound word and the E in the end is short there. Nitaram Dadhanam. Second dhas Mahapranha. Vaishadyam. Dadhanam Vaishadyam because of Sandhya Anuswara changes to the nasal of Va. Kalitarasam is a compound word. Ananda Sudhaya is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranah. Kalitarasamananda Sudhaya. Kritasnanam Shastramrita Sarasi Kamakshi Nitaram Dadhanam Vaishadyam Kalitarasamananda Sudhaya. Alankaram Bhumehe Bhas Mahapranah. Visarga changes to R or Repha. Munijana Manaha. Visarga changes to Sh. Chinmaya. So Manashchinmaya Mahapayodhehe Dhas Mahapranah. Munijana Manashchinmaya Mahapayodhehe is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranah. Bhumer Munijana Manashchinmaya Mahapayodhehe because of Sandhi. Visarga changes to Repha there. Again Visarga changes to Repha. Antastham is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranah. So, Bhumer Munijana Manashchinmaya Mahapayodherantastham because of Sandhi. Tava Antasthan Tava because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to Nu there. Charanaratnam is a compound word. Mrigayate. Alankaram Bhumer Munijana Manashchinmaya Mahapayodherantastham Tava Charanaratnam Mrigayate. Kritasnanam Shastramrita Kamakshi Nitaram Dadhanau Vaishadyam Kalitarasamananda Sudhaya Alankaram Bhumer Munijana Manashchinmaya Mahapayodherantastham Tava Charanaratnam Mrigayate. Manogehe Mohodbhavatimira-purne Mama Muhuhu Daridrani Kurvan Dinakara Sahasrani Kiranaihi Vidhattang Kamakshi Prasrimara Tamo Vanchana Chanaha Kshanardham Sannidhyan Charanamani Deepo Jananite. Manogehe is a compound word. Moha Udbhava. Mohodbhava Timira Purne is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranah. Mama Muhuhu Daridrani Kurvan is a compound word. Dinakara Sahasrani is a compound word. Kiranaihi. Manogehe Mohodbhavatimira Purne Mama Muhuhu Daridrani Kurvan Dinakara Sahasrani Kiranaihi. Vidhattam Dhas Mahapranah. Kamakshi. E is short there. Vidhattang Kamakshi because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to Nga there. Prasrimara Tamo Vanchana Chanaha is a compound word. Kshana Ardham. Kshanardham is a compound word. Ksha and Dhar Mahapranah. Sannidhyam Dhas Mahapranah. Charanamani Deepaha is a compound word. Sannidhyam Charanamani Deepaha because of Sandhi. Charanamani Deepaha becomes Charanamani Deepo because of Sandhi. Janani. E is short there. Te. Vidhattang Kamakshi Prasrimara Tamo Vanchana Chanaha Kshanardham Sannidhyam Charanamani Deepo Jananite. Manogehe Mohodbhavatimira-purne Mama Muhuhu Daridrani Kurvan Dinakara Sahasrani Kiranaihi विधत्तां कामाक्षि प्रसृमरतमो वञ्चनचणः क्षणार्धं सान्निध्यं चरणमणिदीपो जननि ते